Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Discord channel that can read only, no one can send any message. So first you open Discord application and log into your account. After that you go to the server that you want to create the channel in, and then as you can see there is the option text channel. You click create a channel and here you can name it. For example, we are going to name it read, and then you click on create a channel. Now since we have our channel created, we are going to click on the gear icon to edit the channel. You click here and then you go to permissions, and then you are going to select advanced permissions, and then you are going to scroll down and you will see here text channel permissions. You are going to disable send messages. You are going to disable send messages in threads. You are going to disable create public threads, and then you are going to scroll down and here you will see send text to speech messages. You are going to disable this one, and you are going to disable send voice messages. Disable this one, and after you finish you just click on save changes, and that's it. When you go back to your channel, now your channel is only read, no one can type any message, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.